Hello and welcome to my channel, where I explore the fascinating world of technology. In this video, I'm going to tell you about the history of computers, from their primitive number-crunching origins to the powerful modern-day machines that surf the internet, run games and stream multimedia. The history of computers goes back over 200 years. At first theorized by mathematicians and entrepreneurs, during the 19th century mechanical calculating machines were designed and built to solve the increasingly complex number-crunching challenges. One of the earliest examples of such a machine was the difference engine, conceived by English mathematician Charles Babbage in 1821. It was a steam-driven device that could compute tables of numbers. However, due to the lack of technology at the time, Babbage never completed his project. Babbage also designed another machine called the analytical engine, which was more advanced and could perform any calculation given a set of instructions. He worked together with Ada Lovelace, an English mathematician and the daughter of poet Lord Byron. Lovelace wrote the world's first computer program for the analytical engine, making her the world's first computer programmer. Lovelace's program was a step-by-step description for computation of Bernoulli numbers, which are a sequence of rational numbers often used in mathematics. She also provided her own comments on the analytical engine, showing her deep understanding of its potential and limitations. The next breakthrough in computing came in the early 20th century, when John Napier, a Scottish mathematician, published his discovery of logarithms. Logarithms are a way of transforming multiplication problems into addition problems, which are much easier to solve. Logarithms enabled the invention of slide rules, which were analog devices that could perform various calculations by sliding scales along each other. Slide rules were widely used by engineers and scientists until the 1970s, when they were replaced by electronic calculators. The first electronic calculator was built in 1967 by Texas Instruments. It used transistors and integrated circuits to perform arithmetic operations. It was also portable and battery-powered. The development of electronic calculators paved the way for digital computers, which are devices that can store and process data using binary digits, zeros and ones. The first digital computer was built in 1937 by John Atanasoff and Clifford Berry at Iowa State University. It was called the Atanasoff-Berry computer, ABC, and it could solve linear equations using binary arithmetic. However, the ABC was not programmable, meaning it could only perform one specific task. The first programmable digital computer was built in 1943 by Alan Turing and his colleagues at Bletchley Park in England. It was called Colossus and it was used to decrypt German messages during World War II. Turing is considered one of the fathers of computer science and artificial intelligence. He invented a new way for computer programs to work, based on a theoretical model called a Turing machine. A Turing machine is a device that can manipulate symbols on a tape according to a set of rules. Turing machines are capable of computing anything that is computable. The central concept of a Turing machine is that it can change its behavior based on its current state and the symbol it reads from the tape. This idea inspired the development of stored program computers, which are computers that can store both data and instructions in their memory. The first stored program computer was built in 1948 by John von Neumann and his team at Princeton University. It was called EDVAC, Electronic Discrete Variable Automatic Computer, and it could execute different programs without having to be rewired or reconfigured. EDVAC was one of the first examples of a modern computer architecture, which is still used today. It had four main components: an input device to enter data and instructions, an output device to display results, a memory unit to store data and instructions, and a central processing unit, CPU, to perform arithmetic and logical operations. The invention of stored program computers sparked a rapid evolution of computer technology in the second half of the 20th century. Computers became smaller, faster, cheaper, and more powerful. They also became more accessible and widespread, thanks to advances in software engineering, networking, graphics, user interfaces, and artificial intelligence. Today, computers are almost unrecognizable from designs of the 19th century or even from the huge computers of the 20th century that occupied whole rooms. They are now embedded in many devices and appliances that we use every day, such as smartphones, smartwatches, cars, refrigerators, and TVs. They are also connected to each other through the internet, which is a global network of computers that can exchange information and services. The Internet enables many applications and services that we rely on, such as email, social media, online shopping, online banking, online gaming, and online education. Computers have also become more intelligent and capable of learning from data and experience. This is thanks to the field of artificial intelligence, which aims to create machines that can perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as reasoning, planning, decision-making, problem-solving, and natural language processing. Artificial intelligence has enabled many breakthroughs and innovations in various domains, such as medicine, engineering, entertainment, and business. Some examples of artificial intelligence applications are speech recognition, face recognition, image recognition, natural language generation, machine translation, self-driving cars, chatbots, virtual assistants, and recommender systems. The history of computers is not over yet. Computers are still evolving and improving at an exponential rate. They are becoming more powerful, more efficient, more versatile, and more ubiquitous. They are also becoming more integrated with humans and the environment. They are transforming the way we communicate, work, learn, play, and live. Computers have changed the world in many ways. They have enabled us to perform complex calculations faster and more accurately. They have enabled us to store and process vast amounts of information. They have enabled us to create and share digital content. They have enabled us to automate and optimize many tasks and processes. They have enabled us to explore new frontiers of knowledge and creativity. Computers have also posed some challenges and risks. They have raised ethical and social issues such as privacy, security, bias, accountability, and digital divide. They have also created new threats such as cyber attacks, cybercrime, cyber warfare, and cyber terrorism. They have also impacted the environment by consuming energy and generating e-waste. Computers are not just machines. They are tools that reflect our values and goals. They are extensions of our minds and bodies. They are partners in our endeavors and adventures. They are part of our history and our future. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload new videos. Also, let me know in the comments what you think about the history of computers and what topics you want me to cover next. Until then, goodbye.